Ooblets is a live simulation video game available on Windows, Xbox One and Nintendo Switch. Recently, it received a patch, after which some players using Nintendo Switch are facing performance issues. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. According to reports, multiple players complain that the game keeps crashing or does not work properly after the recent update. Those affected say that the game displays the software was closed because an error occurred message as well. Also, the game crashes immediately whenever one tries to load an old saved game file. A player on Twitter complains that after installing the recent update, the game crashes as soon as they try to rehome an ooblet. Another gamer alleges that ever since the update, the game shuts down after a minute or two of gameplay, which is quite frustrating and annoying. Fortunately, the Ooblet support team on Twitter has officially acknowledged the issue. The developers have submitted a patch with the bug fix, which must be certified before it can go live. We hope that the developers resolve this issue soon. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.